Hello, friend.
Kichengsi kardom kadukawe Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangara to ana panstame lapen piniel labang kenali tumpan so video long lang kethan ponji labang ke Karbi Anglong pen top 5 wareng war sai update aputhak senang than pachini ponikpo lapen details lapen klar dagalam labang ke kai kia sona litum na so video long si thek pon long ikpo nalitum jongsi la so YouTube channel anta subscribe kelang pelote pada depin penalitum subscribe ikon lapen videos tame nalitum share ponikon Tangke non patiek pen top 5 Karbi Anglong update sa puthak le lang polonan lapen chithan polonan. Tangke non kiching si update chithan polonan kedam tang hostami dak scholarship pre matric scholarship ST student class 9 lapen class 10 lapen post matric scholarship to ST student apan kedam tang hostami dak scholarship aputhak pipon do lasi puthot dak laso scholarship la bangke dak extension mate adet dak pa bat poni gelo nalitum dak thek ponong je extension of dates for pre-matric scholarship to ST student class 9 to class 10 and post-matric scholarship to ST student of Assam for the academic year 2024 lapen 25 aparman no kidam tang ho dak nalitum thek pon long exi laso matric diak tha laso scholarship aputhak da ki pondo lasi puthot non apply plelang atum stame prabjin pen apply dun igon ke apply ya fan litum da ki pondo www.scholarship.gov.in so website long dam pen alitum apply dam igmelo mate national scholarship portal NSP along ada dam pen stame alitum apply dam igmelo lapen non la adet pa bat pontu labangke dak 15 November 2024 an sidak last date an puthot pi pontu la sika apply plelang atum nalitum prabjin pen apply egon lapen schema men nalitum dak thek pon long ekpo kiching si number 1 along labangke dak pre matric scholarship ST student studying in class 9 lapen class 10 ka charlie osomaratum dak lapen eligibility annual family income dak 2.50 lakhs an lan inkaning si lan income kido mate lapen ki ongka viatum afanan chalo lapen last date dak 15 November 2024 lapen last date of verification institute nodal officer lapke 13 November sida alang litum verification ekpo lapen ki puthot dak dutlang post matric scholarship to ST student lapta semlo income la bangke latal data dak semlo nalitum thek pon long ekpo lasi prabjin penalitum jong si apply bilang pulten apply dunigon lalo la kiching si update lo la bangke lapen puthot dak non adun thu mate second dak update la bangke la solo dak Guwahati High Court at Guwahati ahin pen dak advertisement ki pondo wareng war sai aputhak nalitum dak thek pon long exi Listening ke hang abang pu abang fitum nali tum daksta me jogdon igme online application are invited till 5 p.m. of 17 November 2024 andak dead bang last deadlo listening ke hang abang pu abang fitum dak advocates post do kadu ka wependak 12 ando 12 post vacancies post grade 1 of Assam judicial service along lasi nalitum dak salaries tame 1,44,840 pen chenglo 1,94,660 per month nalitum long pon igji lapen dak apus kan ma kedul labang ke kadu ka unreserved apus sang se nalitum dak theglong ji all posts are unreserved nalitum theglong important that lang damlo pulo tang nalitum dak thek pon long ikpo submission of online application start from dak 29 pen se chengpon po lapen chengpon lo lapen last date labang ke dak 17 November 2024 5 p.m. as last date lo lapen last date of payment of fee labang ke 19 November 2024 anse last date lo lapen ning hang abang pu abang fitum nalitum jogdon ikon o a candidate must citizen of Indian defend article 5 lapen 6 thing na po lapen must be holder of degree in law mate law degree entang na po law anat lapen dak dolang must be participating advocate court civil and criminal justice the last date fixed receipt of application must have been the participant for period of not less than 7 years yes is that la sona da eson soni tok pondo la sinali tum dak thelongi h bang antija batum 35 pen 45 an arta an jogdun lang pola pen SC ST hills atum da 35 pen chenglok 48 years arta abang pu abang fitomina nitum jogdon long ikpo jongsi nanitum la so details tame nangji pulte nili phan homrigo nili nanitum phan nang sen ikpo la pen on third update aputhak lang pono na third update labang kenali tum dak thek pon long ekpon on hejong Assam government hin pens tame dak notification kapang dak pondo la copy notification ma pulta nali tum dak thek pon long exi ECF number nali tum dak 563099 thek long ji the government of Assam is the place to declare restricted holiday or it's on 5 January every year for the state government employees to the association of Ronker Karkli mate Ronker puja which is celebrated by Karbi communities living in Assam na se dak Assam government hin pens tame la January 5 mate Ronker Karkli do kado kave ili Karbi Anglong penceng log dima so la pen kapre gadim la Karbi khaitum kido ana la ke Ronker la ke Karkli lo la se no na bangke la so 5 January la sornis tame all Assam anta la son school penceng log office anta bank anta dag bon la popuse dag holiday puthak tame dak pang dak poni gelo la sila taning arong memialam la sil nali to afan la so updates tame nangwan piglo la pen puthot update kapre ka puthak lang pono na la pen nali tum la screen long theklong ni la bang ki jutsi update lo la so information la bang ki warning over side dak do copy over website mala tanali tum thek pon long ikpo this is general information to all the concerned the offline application in the prescribed standard form with the cell attached copy of all certificate are invited for the local eligible candidates for the filling of vacancy post at Langhin Bodo Medium Higher High School Langhin Karbi Anglong mate Langhin Bodo Medium High School pensta meda warning over site kapik lang pondo Johnson nalitum jogdon example the standard form long nalitum details when fill up the nampol pen documents long nalitum select tested thaina pol pen photos tami nalitum video nai pusta dark tokmon la pen copy over ing over saima pol nalitum la screen long thek pon long exi name of post assistant teacher of anangji la pen qualification la bangki BA pass na po post pa da ki do kali in the department wet listening ha bang pu bang fitum jogdon tami important notice da ki pi pondo nalitum thek pon long exi candidate should not be less than 21 years of the age or not more than 30 years as on 1st January 2024 for general OBC MOBC up to 43 years and for SC ST labang ke nanitum chinit putahelo la se daki jog dunia bang pu bang fisitame 21 years pe na ki onkali dana pola pen 30 years pe na ki onkali dana pola litum calculation ni la ke 1st January 2024 pen se dak calculation pon pola pen general OBC penchenglok jad tum stamida 43 years arta an bangke alang litum dak jogdun long ikpo product topola pen the SC ST OBC candidate not need to submit their caste certificate along with their application form la caste certificate banda submit dunane copy p category pulte SC ST OBC MOBC candidate to bangke the caste certificate piduna ne product topon la si Pusodake topondo thla incomplete application shall be rejected summarily the sonse dak topona jongse nalitum ki jogduna ho jongse dak to kateng nalitum fill up dunde la pen documents tami pidunde pulta lang litum hada masi form bangke nalitum form bangke reject plot pupta dak topon la pen last date la bangke 6 November 2024 se last date lo nalitum jongse jogdun example jogdun pe prabingo apos bang isibe ki pas lagi qualification nang nangsi lagi BA pass nang pun lapen apos semen la bangke assistant teachers upon la sipini update la bangke pathek pen nang than pon la bangke la cholo pen la sonson update na litum kilong versi upon pura la so YouTube channel la bangke na litum subscribe ingo la son than latest update kilong versi upon stame belar dan litum bear pon ingo la pen video na litum ke share bangke tingniri videos tame share pon ingo la pen Karbi Anglong ras tame plan nang la pen pachini nang la sipini video long la aneng ton pon nang Domi thakmi kadu kavi Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long kelang rado an panstami nilhin pen kardom.